Welcome back, friends. In our previous tutorials, we were able to complete this table and we successfully linked all our sheets to the desktop. So we are going to continue. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to create the class teachers remarks and other things, and also set up the grading system. I've already created mine, so you just look at it and create yours. It depends on how you want it. So I can see that all the marks over here have been linked to the class teachers remarks is going to be linked with this particular marks over here. So it's going to be linked with this particular marks over here. So when the child falls between 0 to 339, this is the marks. This is the remarks that is going to show on the report card. If the child scores 800 and above, this is the remarks that is going to show on the report card. So creating is very simple. Just highlight the table and type in whatever is here. Just type in whatever you see here. Just type it in and to give your table a nice look like I've done. So when you go to, we have to create the attitude and other things too. That one too, we just have to. We have selected this table up to this column because we want to give space. We are going to insert all this into the table that we have created. We are going to insert it into the table, the student information list table. So here we are going to create what we call data validation. Then we're going to validate all these cells with those information. So let's continue and go to whatever we are going to do in this lesson. So looking at this, you can see that we have created a table. So this is the grading system for primary school. I don't know about your school, so it depends on how the person that wants you to create for him or creating for your school, that's how you want it. So from 80 and above, the grade is A. The grade is A, advanced. There is no P. Okay. So the grade is A. 79 to 75 get P, and the LP, the level of proficiency, is in that order. So let's quickly go to our sheet and let's do that of the level of proficiency. We are going to use a formula called VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. So we are going to type in equal to, and type VLOOKUP. So it pops up. So you double click. Then our lookup value. We are going to look at this value to grade or to check the level of proficiency. So you click on that. You bring a comma. Then you go to your settings sheet. That is our next one. You look at the formula that we says table array. So you are going to go to settings, and this is our table. So you're going to select from this place up to this place. And when you finish, you have to lock up the cells. So you select this part of the cell, then you press F4. Simple like that. Then you put a comma. Now when we look at the table that we went, the level of proficiency is in column 3. It's in the third column. So you press 3, then you close your bracket, then you hit enter. So you can see that that's giving you, because since it is 0, that's giving you 5 as the level of proficiency. So you just autofill, you just drag through, or you can just simply double click and it will autofill for you. Okay, let's go to the grade. The grade 2, we are going to use the same formula. So equal to VLOOKUP. Double click to select. Okay, so we are still going to the lookup value is still this cell. So we select the cell, bring a comma, then you go back to the settings table, back to settings, then you select the table. This is the table. Select the table again, then you lock up the cells. F4 to lock up the cells. Simple like that. Then in this case, our grade is in column 2. So we type 2, then close the bracket. You hit enter. So you see that that's given it to you nicely. Double click on it to select all. So we are going to do same for mathematics. So I'm going to do for mathematics. The rest I'll leave it for you to do it. So mathematics quickly, let me do it. So equal to VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, then table of array. So you select the lookup value, that is the lookup value, you bring comma, you go to the settings sheet, you go to the settings sheet, then you select the table array, you lock up the cell, then you bring a comma, since it is level of proficiency in column 3, you close the brackets, then you hit enter, then you double click to autofill, as simple like that. So I'm going to leave you to do the rest. And we move on to the next thing that we have to do in this particular tutorial. So comma, when comma, you go to the table array, go to the settings table, you select the cell, you lock it up, F4 to lock it up, you bring comma, column 2, close the bracket, you hit enter. As simple like that. So as I said, I've done for English and I've done for mathematics. So take your time and do it for the rest of the sheet. So let me look at the next thing that we are going to do. Okay, quickly, let's also quickly go to the student information list and let's fix in the attitude and conduct and other things. Okay, so let me open up the cell a bit. Okay, open up. Okay, so you can select the first. We are just going to validate the information over here with the ones that we have created over there. So you just click on data, you go to data validation there, data validation, good. Then when you come here, you go to lists. So the list is going to give you something like that. Then you go to the table, just press here, then you go back to the settings sheet, go back to settings, and you go to settings. When you come here, you are dealing with conduct, so you come and select from here. Now you add the empty space to it so that it gives the person, whoever wants to add anything to it, to add. So you just hit enter and press OK. So now you can see that it has given me a drop down. When you click on it, you see that it has shown very nice. So you are just going to drag to fill the other cells just like that. So when I come here, I can select the conduct for the students. When I come here, I can select just simple like that. We are going to do same for attitude. So now we are in attitude data. Go to data validation. You click on data validation. Go to list. You tap on this. Then you move to where you can locate the attitude. So this is the attitude. So I'll just come and select and add empty space to it. Hit enter and hit OK. Then it is validated. Simple. Then after that you just click and drag. So when I select here, I have options to select from. Okay. We do same for interest. Okay. So data validation. Go to list. Click on this drop down arrow and move to where you can find the interest. So this is interest. So I'm adding space to it, and I'll hit enter and I'll hit OK. So I've been validated nicely as it is. Okay, so I'm going to leave the tutorials here. I'm going to remain. Okay, quickly let me do this one too. Let me validate the class 2. Validate the class 2. So the class 2, you can just hit on it, go to lists, and you go to list. As for the class, you can decide to type it. We have not created it from the settings sheet, so let's type it one after the other. So if you are creating for KG1, okay, let me make it simple. KG1, KG2, basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, basic 4, basic 5, basic 6. Okay, actually we are clicking for only the lower primary, so let's get to only basic 3 and let's hit OK. So you can see that it has also selected. Okay, so you just um, select. So this one there is no need because we have already validated. So whatever we select, it goes there straight away and it fills up all the cells. So there is no need dragging it down to the last person. So yes, delete it. Okay. So this is what we are learning in this particular. So please go ahead and create and do that of the signs, the O and other things. So do that. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorials. Thank you.